Hey guys, Mike with Getting Greasy Garage. I got a set of 8 spark plugs, the AC Elco R45 TS. These are for the 85 Corvette. We're bumping up a couple of heat ranges. Anyway, I wanted to point out, always whenever you get spark plugs, make sure and gap them. So I checked the gap on these two. This is 8 spark plugs. These two came out of the box at 30, this one at 35, and these at 40. That's a pretty big spread. I don't know what the intended application for these plugs is as far as year, make, and model. Now I'm going to go ahead and bump them up to 45 because I'm using them with an HEI distributor. So always check that gap, guys. All right, we'll see you later.